Hello guys, hello my people, welcome back to Joseph Plumber. Kindly, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, share and leave a comment if you have a comment, guys. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you prepare the place of installing Asian toilet. As you see here now, I'm preparing this place, removing some of the stones on the floor so that to ensure that my toilet is well installed without any distraction. Yeah guys, you can see how I'm prepared. So I completed guys, so that to prepare, so I want to show you here now. The table you see here, I'm going to install the kitchen sink. So here now I'm going to show you some of the fitting that I'm going to install it. You can see there is a step Asian toilet, yeah, and there is a sink. That's a kitchen sink. You see there's a cement that I'm going to use it with, mix with sand. Yeah, here now guys, this is the magic bottle trap 1.5 that I'm going to tie it on the kitchen sink so that to remove the waste water outside to the manhole, guys. And here now I have the tape that I will use it to, so that to prevent the leakage, some of the leakages on the pipes, including the magic. So here now there is a plug where I'm going to mount it on the PVC-T, so that when the sink is blocked you can open, then you check. Yeah, and I have a detergent. This is the detergent that I'm going to use it as a glue, so that to prevent the leakages on PVC pipe. Yeah guys, here now guys, I have a toilet. This is the toilet, that the one that I'm going to fix it on the floor, you see, that I was preparing. So this is the Asian toilet. We call the step Asian toilet. You can see the compound is alpha. This is the alpha. Yeah, and this is the pipes guys. So guys, let me show where I'm going to mount the PVC pipe 1.5. So the thing you see there, I prepared the place of the pipe of a sink, guys. Yeah, you can see guys, you can see also preparing the place of Asian toilets. So guys, you can see how I'm this now I'm trying to organize so that my station to be well maintained. You can see I'm trying. Yeah, I'm adding some of the stones so that to be stable. I want to make it to be stable, guys. Yeah, to be stable. This is how you do. If you don't know how to install Asian toilet, this is how you should be able to do. Then you install your toilet, Asian toilet. Yeah, if you want to mount the, here now I'm preparing the place of a galley trap. That's the galley trap, which is the ceramic galley trap. Yeah, I'm trying to prepare so that to be stable, so that to to ensure that the water should remain inside this galley trap without leaving an allowance of entering air to the room, which is the bad smell. To ensure it is where it is stable on the floor, the way I'm doing, guys. After that, then you carry your spirit level. Carry your spirit level. So I'm going to check the spirit level. Yeah, this is how you do, guys. As you see, this is how you do. After you prepare it, then you mix the sand with concrete. Cement mixed with sand and the concrete, which is chips. Yeah, see, this is my stabilization toilet, the one that I'm installing. You can see. Yeah guys, you can see it. This yeah guys, you can see. So guys, I'm going that this is the sink. So guys, I'm going to show you where I'm going to fix the pipes of this step Asian toilet, where there is a manhole. Yeah, now I'm cutting the pipe. I'm using the pipe of 4-inch, yeah, so that to remove the wastage. Yeah, you can follow me. Then I showed you how I'm going to fix on the gull trap. Yeah, here now there will be a manhole here, guys. I can see this is my gull trap, the place where I'm going to fix the pipes of 4-inch. Here now I'm fixing it. You can see, yeah, you fix it like that, the way I'm doing, guys. After that, you carry some of the stone, then you fix on the pipe, so that when you pour the concrete, that stone will ensure your pipe is strong, touchable to the gully trap. Yeah, guys. So guys, it's time now to mix the sand. You can see how this is the sand that I'm going to use it with the cement. Yeah, you can follow me to show you more things. Kindly, guys, I'm reminding you, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, like, share, guys. Yeah, and continue following Joseph Plumbers. There's more video to this channel, then you should learn more about plumbing, guys. Yeah, you can, this is the sand. So I want to prepare the sand that I am going to use it to my stabilization toilet, the one that I'm installing. Yeah, that's the wheelbarrow. If you want to install this toilet, you should have the wheelbarrow and the spade. And that's the chips, guys. That's the chips, which is the concrete that I'm going to use it on the sand. So I want to mix with the sand. You can see, guys. Yeah, you mix like that. You follow this procedure. This is the procedure of installing the step Asian toilet. Yeah, if you don't know how to install the Asian toilet, this is the procedure. Yeah, you follow this procedure keenly, then you should learn more. Yeah, then ensure you have the water, and that's the cement mixing with the chips and the sand, the one that I was preparing. You can see how I'm mixing it with this procedure, guys. Follow this procedure keenly. Follow this procedure keenly, the way I'm doing. So guys, you can see my concrete, how I'm mixing it. This is how you mix the concrete manual. This is the manual. You mix this concrete with cement manual, the way I'm doing. If you don't have the machine, some of others, they have the machine that will assist them to mix it. So to me, you know, to Joseph Plumbers, I don't have that machine, so I'm using the spade so that to mix it the way I'm doing. So it's time now to pour the concrete on the toilet. You can see how I'm pouring the concrete on the toilet. This is how you pour. After you ensure your toilet is well levelized, the way I did. Yeah, you can see how I'm pouring the concrete. This is how you pour this concrete. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. That's the concrete. After pouring it, then you scoop it inside to the toilet, so that to ensure your toilet is stable, the way I'm doing. You can see the way I'm doing. Yeah, the way I'm doing. I'm trying to scoop it. That's the concrete. I'm scooping it through the toilet, so that to ensure it get ease to the toilet. Yeah, the way I'm doing, guys. Watch this procedure, guys. Yeah, after that, then you carry your spirit level to ensure toilet is well levelized. You ensure your spirit gap should be at the middle. When your spirit gap is in the middle, the way I'm showing you, that means that my toilet is well levelized. You can see, guys, see it, my toilet is well levelized. You can see inside to the gully trap there is some of the water, so that used to prevent the bad smell backflowing to your toilet. Yeah, you need to add some more concrete. Yeah, guys. You can see, install your steps, your toilet, your Asian toilet, simple like that. So guys, it's time now to prepare the kitchen sink. I'm preparing the kitchen sink, so I want to show you if you want to mount also the kitchen sink on the wardrobe. This is the first procedure you are able to do before installing the kitchen sink to your table. You can see already I prepared the hole where I'm going to fix my sink. This is the sink you see here is the single sink. Is the single. This is the single sink. You can see. I'm preparing it so that to ensure it is stable on the base, on its table. After you make the hole, so mix the plain sand with the cement. Then you ensure your cement ratio is enough on your sand, so that to make your sink to be strong on the table. Yeah, so I'm trying to fix this, the magic bottle trap that connecting the sink to the moist pipe. So this is how you fix this magic, we call it magic connect, or you can call it bottle trap. This is the bottle trap. I'm installing the bottle trap to this sink. This is how you connect it. I'm showing you. You ensure you have the screwdriver, so that will help you to screw the nail to your bottle trap, guys. Yeah, like this, the way I'm doing. You can see, so I'm trying to tighten it well. Yeah, I'm tightening it well. Yeah, like this, guys. You tighten well, ensure it's well attached to the sink, the way I'm doing. You can see already I finished to fix that bottle trap. So this is how you mix the sand with the cement, then you put on the table, then you pressing the way I'm doing. You can see it how I'm doing. Yeah, this is how you do. Yeah, guys, you can see it. You install your sink simple as this, the way I did. You can see, this is the simple method of installing the kitchen sink. Yeah, simple like this. You can see it, so I'm showing you. So guys, kindly please, I'm reminding you, if you're new to this channel and you are watching this video, kindly consider subscribing to this channel, to Joseph Plumbers, and remember to hit a notification bell, so that when I update a new video, then you will be the first person to be getting notified. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video, and you are welcome again to Joseph Plumbers.